Okay. Good morning, everyone. Vedi, you also have a problem with your mic. Right? So, children, as you all know, yesterday we have done how to write the decimals number into the words, right? How to write the decimal number in the words. Are you all clear with that?
Yes, ma'am, we have
Okay.
to.
I'm going to give you some numbers. You have to
Right.
take out your notebooks now, and
Ma'am, what
I
we have to do now?
take out your notebooks. Arna Agarwal, turn on your camera. Rahil Ridhan, turn on your camera. Then turn on your camera, everyone. I'm going to start the class. Take out your notebook. Write today's date.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Write today's date. Take out your notebook.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we write the heading? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Write.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Write each of the following. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Decimals.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Jan Patel, you have joined late. I have already instructed you are 1 minute late in the class. It is 31. I have already instructed. Please write it in your notebook.
Okay.
Like Ekansh also joining now. You also join now. Daksh Patel join now. So they will, if they disturb me and ma'am, do we have to write, which is already instructed to you all. Yes, take out your notebook and start writing. Karna, 1 minute late. Class on time.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am here in the class only. My computer was not working, that's why I've joined from the computer.
Okay. Write it in your notebooks. Question 1. Write each of the following decimals. You know, no, at the end moment, the strength is increasing now. But at 9:30, the strength, I started the class with 15 students only. Write each of the following decimals in words.
Ma'am, the board is not clear.
0 point will be clear within 1 or 2 minutes.
No, ma'am, it's
0.003.
Ma'am, what we have to
ma'am,
write?
it's
Write
clear.
the each following of decimal in words. Bata.
Ma'am, we have to continue
And
from
word
where we left
point one and the
yesterday.
end one.
Oh, we have to take a new page.
Take a new page, write date, write this question, and start writing.
Yeah, ma'am, we have to write
What?
which method we have to write any.
And one. I'm going to teach you the and method. 0.003. How you are going to write, Samriddhi, this?
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am, 1 minute I am setting the answer.
Rudra Jajadia is Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can you remove your hand because I can see the third page? Ma'am,
Yes, Vedi, please go.
we will write 0.
0 will not come. And Rudra Jajadia, this is fractional form. You are going to write it in the words, spellings.
Ma'am, it will be 3.
Yes.
3 300.
After decimal, it is not starting from ones. Tens, hundred.
Ma'am, I can tell. Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
Thousands. Then it will be thousands.
Yeah. So what will be the answer?
3,000.
3. Then the 3 is the number, and what is the place? Tens, hundreds. thousands.
Thousand.
So write 3000s. THOUSANDTHS.
Ma'am, can I say the next one?
Here why end is not coming, because before the decimal there is no whole part. So that is why
Yeah.
end is not coming in this.
Ma'am, I can tell the second one.
Yes, please tell Alakshya.
4.5.
When point you are using, yeah, your method is correct. 4.5 is also correct.
4 and 5 also is also correct method.
No, and the another method is 4 and 5/10.
Ma'am, I write the easy
These
one.
are the two method of doing this. When you are writing point, let me explain first, Nishika, then talk. First, if you are using the point, then you only don't write the place value of the last digit. Read the way you are reading the number, it is 4.5. If you are writing with the end, then you write 4 and 5/10, because the place value of the 5 is tenths. So both
you
the
had
method are
wrote
correct.
4.4.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, you have
You
wrote
had wrote
4.4.
4.4. Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, it should be 4.5.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. I have a doubt.
Now doubt students will ask and raise their hands. I will give them the chance to speak. Yes, Ayush, please speak.
0.003. How will we write this in the form of?
We will ignore the zero.
Huh?
We will ignore the zero. In
So
the
we will
point
write,
also, you will write 0. Yeah. No. When you are writing with the point 1, 0.003.
Okay.
Yes, third one Ridan will give me.
Ma'am, I want to say the third one.
Twisha, I'll give you a chance to speak. Yes. And then I will write more, then you will write. Yes, tell me.
Yes.
Ridan.
3.56.
No, wrong. If you are using 3.1 method, then after the point, number will be read as single numbers. 3.56.
5.6.
Got it?
Ma'am, can I say the AND method?
Yes. Now tell me, Trisha, the AND method.
3 and
3 and
56.
56. Better you children do the AND method only. Don't get yourself confused. Yeah. 56 hundreds. Very good. Hundreds. Why hundreds? Because this is tens place and this is hundreds place.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
So
have a
write
doubt.
the HUNDREDTHS. Yes, Aryaman, ask.
Ma'am, if we want to write the first question, if you want to write in the point.
Better don't get yourself confused in the two methods.
Okay, ma'am.
I will teach you only one method so that you will be clear with that. In the AND method, suppose there are 3 digits. If I'm erasing the first one. Now, how you will write this? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, there.
Ma'am, 123.
एंड नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी 123
Ma'am,
123 point
point no end
and
learn end method only, forget about the point method.
ma'am,
100 Raudra, if he is telling no, you need to wait. 123 and
569.
आप बीच बीच में एंड बार बार क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? Point end will come at the place of point only.
Okay, 569 hundreds.
569 tens, hundred, thousands. Because the
1000.
place value of 9 is last place value you have to write. So please repeat it again. Tell me from the beginning.
123.
Again to say
123.
100.
23. Point
No, I'm not writing point method.
and 569,000.
Yes, Rudra, now ask. Rudra, now ask. Rudra Jajaria.
Ma'am, I was just wanted to answer.
To, if one child is giving, how it is possible the other child also will answer in between? That is the reason I told you to stop.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Oh, ma'am, how the 9,000s will come?
What is the place value of 9? Because last place value will come.
Okay, ma'am.
And the way we will read 569 thousands is the place value of 9 because it is tens. Because after the decimal, the first place value is tens, hundreds, and this is thousands.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 10,000, then
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
100,000, then millions.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that, see, when we are writing 69,000 and if there is 0 in the last, then we have to see the zeros place value or the one which we are telling.
Zero place value. Suppose it is 90 in place of 96. So 590 thousands.
Okay.
It was 96, na? 69.
69.
Yes, Ayush, ask your doubt. Ayush, ask your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. So if I have a 3.56, so I have to write.
3.56.
So ma'am, that's already done. It's the third one.
Tell me.
So I have to write 3 and 56 hundreds.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Means the last digit's place will come.
Yes. Freya.
Yes, ma'am. We have to write with and, right?
And method.
No. Ma'am, 2500.
2500 कैसे बचा? This is 258.
Oh,
तो 258 को आप 258 ही पढ़ोगे.
yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. 258,000.
Yes. पॉइंट के बाद भी आपको नेम नंबर को सेम ही पढ़ना है, बट ओनली लास्ट प्लेस वैल्यू लिख देने हैं. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I raise the question, first question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Swisha.
Ma'am, can I say?
Swisha.
112.
हाँ, बीच में एंड तो कहीं नहीं आएगा.
112 and 21.
21,000.
वेरी गुड. 21,000 कहाँ से?
Ma'am, hundreds. Ma'am, but it is the one is on thousands place, na?
Okay. It is tens, hundreds या thousands. हाँ.
Ma'am, can I see the next one? Ma'am, I want to tell.
Let me write. Are you all writing along with me in your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
After completing, then don't tell me, ma'am, not done. Anya, tell me this one.
Yes, ma'am. 12 and 34. 34 10,000 means
Yes. Is she correct, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. It will
Why?
be 34 10,000.
मैंने 10,000 से ही तो लिखा है.
Oh, I was not able to read.
Got it? Done or not?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Nishika, can you give me any number in the decimal?
Ma'am, 56.200.
Now, can you give me how to write it into the words?
Yes, ma'am. 56 and 2 two tens.
2 tens.
No. Two. Ma'am, and I didn't get it. 200,000.
What 200,000? Ah. Better we write here. If you write 256. Just a minute, students. Wait. So if I take 56
And don't drop seventh one. I'm doing seventh one.
56 and 256 tens, 100,000, 256 thousands.
Ma'am, but I now understand the seventh one only. But how 0, 0, 3,
0, 0 we
4.
can ignore. 0, 0 it will be 34 only. So 34 और 34 की last place value क्या है? This is tens, 100,000, 10,000 place value.
1, tens,
12
100,
and 34.
1 tens, 100 or 1,000.
After decimal, the place value starts from tens, not from ones. First place is tens. Second is hundreds, thousand, then this is 10,000. And before the decimal, we start from ones, tens, and 100,000. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, eighth one also 56. 56 and 256.
Ma'am, I write 206.
Cut it and write this one also. 206 also you can write 206 and then write the last place value.
If we didn't guess what, how we will write it?
Who are speaking? I am not understanding anyone's. Dara was also speaking, Anya was also speaking, so will be a difficulty for me.
Ma'am, if 200 will there,
Then write 200, and this is 100, tens, 100,000, 200,000s.
okay.
And it was 256, so write 256,000s.
Ma'am,
Dhyan Dalal, any problem? Understood everything? Answer in the class. Your face shows me that you are not understanding anything. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत difficult है. टेंशन में फेस है ध्यान दलाल का. Everyone got it? Is there any child who is still having a doubt?
No, ma'am.
And please do with the end method only, so don't
Ma'am.
get yourself confused.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so when we put like the number 69.055.
रुक जाओ, wait, I will write also. Eighth one is done. Can I erase the eighth one?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
give you a 9 sum. Tell me, Kevna.
269.055. For example, that is the question. Then after the point 200, after we write 269, and then we write and, then we say 5.
Then this is what are the numbers which you can read? You cannot read 055 now. अब क्या number दिख रहा है? 55 दिख रहा है. So you say 269 and 55,000.
Okay, ma'am. That's solved.
Solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Ignore the zero if the zero is there in the beginning, because it is actually a 55. It is not if it is the zero after the numbers, then it is 550. But if it is before the numbers, so it will be read at, if zero is in between, फिर कितने भी zeros हों, so it will be 3 only ना. आगे के zeros तो कोई value नहीं है.
Miss, read the chat box. What I written in the 10th question.
Okay, 10th, this Lakshya is giving, so I will write the 10th here.
10th, 1, 2, 4. Ma'am, I have no doubt.
It's such much big. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay. So 10, 1, 2, 4.00023. So Lakshya, can you tell me how you are going to read this?
No, ma'am, the 1, 10, it is
Acha. Okay.
it is a number.
So now tell me.
124
And बीच में नहीं आएगा.
124
124.
and
23.
thousands.
Tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000s.
100,000.
Yes, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then million. So you need to learn the table of this place value.
Ma'am, we have to write in international system only.
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
ma'am.
No, we have learned the Indian system place value, no? Of the decimal.
Ma'am, so it will come lakh, no?
No, but this will come from the, because आपने क्या किया, पहले टेंस में से पीसेस निकाले, दैट इज व्हाई फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट निकाला था ना, सो दैट इज व्हाई यू आर यूजिंग द टेंस. कोई होल थिंग थी, उसके 10 पार्ट्स किए, देन हंड्रेड्स था, हंड्रेड्स में से आपने पार्ट्स किए, देन टेंस, हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड्स में से किया आपने पार्ट्स, देन आपने 10,000 में से पार्ट्स किए, फिर आपने 100,000 में से पार्ट्स किए.
Okay, ma'am, I have a doubt.
यस.
And if our question is 0, 56, 049. Okay, 049. Point 0502. So how we will write this?
Read this.
49 and 502.
502.
1/10.
1/10 तक रीड कर रही हो आप फिर भी अभी भी.
10, 100, 1000, 10,000.
हाँ.
So it will
500 to 10,000.
be okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ridan, please ask.
Ma'am, if there will be 2 0 0.55.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So how will we write this?
Read this.
200
200 को तो 200 ही पढ़ोगे ना. 200 पॉइंट को एंड पढ़ना है. 200 and which number is this?
55.
55. And what is the place value of the last 5?
Thousands.
Hundreds है ना. Tens, hundreds.
Yes.
So how it is thousands, बच्चा? Tens के बाद hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s. एक एक जीरो ऐसे इंक्रीज होगी. फर्स्ट 10 से स्टार्ट होगा. So the last place value is hundreds. So we say 255 hundreds. Yes, Dhairya.
Ma'am, is this the 11th one?
Right, you can write.
Ma'am, can I give one also?
No, now I'm going to explain you if in the words it is given, how you are going to write it into the numbers.
Ma'am, it's okay. Okay.
Now I am giving you the numbers. So write the question. 2. Mohit, Anushka, Vedi, Jahan, Agarwal, Aryan, Anna, turn on your cameras, please. Ekansh, sit with your camera on. Children, I can see 3 students left the class. Vivan Balchandani, I know their names. So if I see, if you without ending my class and leave the class tomorrow, I'm sure you will not able to attend my class. So please, Mohit, Karnav, Ekansh, Twisha, sit with the camera on.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
You just now on the camera.
Ma'am, you can pin my another device.
And you all know the PTM is coming very soon. Already started the PTM. So you all are aware. Write the next question. Convert.
Ma'am, I've written the same. Write each of the following words in numbers.
Right, okay. Write each of the following words in numbers or in numeric form. Numbers और numeric का मतलब एक ही होता है. Numbers or numeric form. So when you get this numeric word in your worksheet, don't get confused. Now I'm giving you one sum. Seven and 92 hundredths.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes, please give.
Ma'am, it will come 7, will come, then decimal, then 92.
Yes. Please write it in your notebooks.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Nishika, ask.
Ma'am, like if there are zeros in it, and how do we come to know there are zeros in it?
Zero होगा तो zero लिखा हुआ होगा.
Ma'am, it could because it's hundreds.
Yeah, it's hundreds only. So there are two places only, na, tens and hundreds. So there is no zero in between. अगर thousands होता direct होता 92,000s.
Then where will be the zero gone? 0.92.
92,000, so it will be 900 thousands. Then वैसा होता, language will be different. बेटा, don't get yourself confused. मैम ऐसा है तो क्या करे, ऐसा है तो क्या करे. I'm giving you most of the practice. Okay, don't make yourself confused. Please write. I'm erasing the question heading. Is Jahan Agarwal there in the class right now? Okay.
Ma'am, I'm there.
Is Khusha Desai Ahuja is there? Yes. Is
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra Master is there in the class? You know, again I am seeing your faces. Again I am taking your attendance.
No, ma'am. Rudra Master is.
I know those who have left the class. Write the second one. One and 63 hundredths. So give me the answer.
Can I say the answer?
No, I want to ask from the Jahan Agarwal will give me. Jahan Agarwal, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one,
Hmm.
then point,
Hmm.
then 300.
Mohit, are you writing in your notebook? Don't leave the class, huh? Are you writing in your notebook? Mohit, I'm talking to you. See, he is sitting like this. He is not hearing also to me. Then why he is in the class? Am I audible, Mohit, to you? Jahan, you give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. And 1.63 hundred.
No, 63 is understood that it is the hundreds.
Can I say third one?
Let me write first. Then Ridhan will give me. Whose mic is on?
Trisha's.
Krisha, please. Ridhan, please give me the answer.
Ma'am, 3.25.
Please write, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say fourth one?
Ma'am, I want to say the fifth one.
I will erase once I complete. So please keep on writing fast.
Ma'am, can I tell the fourth one?
I will call the child name.
Can-
Fourth one, you have to read it very carefully.
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
say
Twisha. Twisha, give me.
I want to. Ma'am, it's 3.
Twisha.
4 decimal, then 0.71.
Excellent. If you children write 71 and the 1,000 places there, if you write it this way, will be wrong. It will be 710,000 ho jayega ye. So Twisha has given very smartly the answer 071.
Can I say the fifth one?
I have not written till now how you will give the answer.
Ma'am, I will give the fifth one.
Ma'am, can Khevna give the fifth one?
First Nishika will give and then Khevna will give. I will ask, bacha. I will ask, and I will send you a worksheet on based on that. Many things are there for the practice. Yeah, 1,000. Please mute yourself. 1,200. 1,235. This is big question, huh? 35 and 600. 42. FORTY 42. 600. Is that visible till the last?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
40,
ma'am.
42, 10,000. 42 10,000s.
Ma'am, it will be 1, 2, 3, and then 4.6.
1, 2, 3, 4 तो है नहीं. 1,235.
Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 5.0620.
642.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
Again, say again.
4.
I am writing the answer here because I don't have a space. So she said 1, 2, 3, 5 point. Till here she is correct. Now tell me. Yes, Nishika, please pass.
Yeah. Then it will be 6,
Hmm?
4.
6. No. It is 642.
Yeah.
642, 10,000 because the place is increasing to 10,000. So
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
same way you need to add the 0 first.
Okay, तो 2 zeros.
अभी वो 642 है, वो 642 ही read होगा.
Okay.
ma'am,
So if the place value is increasing one more time and you have only the till 100, so you add the 0 in the beginning. Clear, everyone? Clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now Rudra, speak. What is your doubt? What there is your doubt?
ma'am, what is written after 2 in the fifth one?
2 10,000. Yes, there.
Ma'am, if in the number it is like it is 1, 2, 3, 5.642 4 means 6 420. So
600.
ma'am, 600 then 4 and then 20.
It cannot be this much big, na? Kya? You tell me the number, which is logical number. Yeah. Now tell
1,
me.
2, 3, 5
1, 2, 3, 5.
point
Point
64
64.
20.
Huh.
So what will be in the words?
1,235 and 6,420 10,000.
Okay. Understood.
6,420 को तो आप 6,420 रीड करोगे. लास्ट प्लेस वैल्यू है 10,000, वो लिख दो. जैसा ही आप ये रीड करते हो, दोनों तरफ को सेम ही रीड करना है. द वे यू रीड, बट in the decimal write the last place value also. This is the difference.
Ma'am, I didn't get how 1, 2, 3, 5 will come.
It can come any number, no? 1,235 and 6,420 10,000.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, thank you, students. I'm going to send you the worksheet on both the concepts today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, submit it by tomorrow. I'll give you a time limit to submit it because there are 2 worksheets. Okay, thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.